How to add TikTok link to Facebook profile. First, launch TikTok app on your device. Then, click on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the edit button. Now tap on the copy icon beside the link. Go back to Facebook app. Then click on the profile from the top left corner. After that, tap on the edit profile button. Now scroll all the way down to the contact info section. From this section, select the social media option. From here, tap on the add button. A menu with different social medias will appear. From here, select TikTok. Now paste the link that you have copied earlier. Then click on the next button from the top right corner. Finally, hit the save button. And that's how you can add TikTok link to Facebook profile.